In my last video, I explained what my friend does to reduce his snoring. Basically, he elevates his body and head high enough. This is similar to sleeping in a comfortably reclined chair. This still took him a few weeks to get used to, but once he did, everything was comfortable and his snoring was reduced by 90%. He still snores 5 to 10% of the time though. This only happens when he's extremely exhausted. This also happens after a heavy night of drinking. Alcohol has a big impact on his snoring. This is due to alcohol relaxing the throat and mouth muscles. Overall, he's very happy he was able to narrow down the cause of his snoring and eliminate it by months and months of testing. Now, why is snoring even an issue? Follow for the next video and find out why.